हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग 2022 में जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था, ठीक है, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्लेट इंग्लिश लिटरेचर का पेपर 2, उसको हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो जैसे कि आप लोगों का एग्ज़ाम बहुत पास आ रहा है, तो आई होप एवरीवन इज स्टडिंग वेरी वेल, वेरी हार्ड। तो आप प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस को भी आप फॉलो करते जाओ। ठीक है, तो अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ भी हेल्प चाहिए, आप जस्ट कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बता दीजिए। ठीक है, तो अब हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं। तो शुरू करने से पहले व्हाट आई वांट यू टू डू इज़, आप एक पेन और पेपर लेके बैठो, क्योंकि वीडियो चलता जाएगा ना, आपको बाद में फिर वीडियो चेक करना पड़ेगा। इसीलिए अभी से आप एक पेन और पेपर लेके आप लोग बैठो। वहाँ हम लोग अभी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। 1 से 100 तक मैं सॉल्व कर दूंगा अभी यहीं पे। ठीक है, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम बहुत पास है और मैं आप लोगों को 100 जितना भी हो सके मेरे तरफ से आई वांट यू टू हेल्प कि और आप लोग ये एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई कर सको, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत साल पहले ये एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई किया था। ठीक है, तो जितना भी नोट्स वगैरह है सब मेरे पास है। ठीक है, मैं आप लोगों को जितना भी मेरी तरफ से होगा हेल्प एग्ज़ाम से पहले तक, ठीक है, तब तक मैं आप लोगों को हेल्प करते रहूँगा। सो लेट्स बिगिन। सो नंबर 1 में क्या है, आइदर ट्रू और फॉल्स। यहाँ पे ट्रू और फॉल्स है। फर्स्ट में हम लोग क्या देवे, ट्रू और फॉल्स। ठीक है, तो नंबर 1 क्या है, सम ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क्स ऑफ विलियम कूपर आर सीन्स फ्रॉम प्रोविंशियल लाइफ एंड सीन्स फ्रॉम मैरिड लाइफ। ये विलियम कूपर वेरी फेमस राइटर। ठीक है, तो हिज वर्क्स क्या है, सीन्स फ्रॉम प्रोविंशियल लाइफ एंड सीन्स फ्रॉम मैरिड लाइफ, ये ट्रू है। ठीक है, सिमिलरली नंबर बी, विलियम गोल्डिंग वेरी फेमस राइटर, हिज फेमस नॉवल क्या है, लॉर्ड ऑफ द फ्लाइज। तो फर्स्ट पब्लिश नॉवल वाज लॉर्ड ऑफ द फ्लाइज, ये भी ट्रू है। ठीक है, इन 2003 द जापान बोर्न नॉवलिस्ट काजू इशिगुरो वन नोबेल प्राइज फॉर लिटरेचर। तो ये काजू इशिगुरो को नोबेल प्राइज फॉर लिटरेचर कब मिला था, ये 2017 में। ठीक है, तो इससे पहले क्या है, आप लोगों को नोबेल प्राइज फॉर लिटरेचर में जितना भी मतलब उसको अवार्ड मिला है, सबका नाम आपको बाय हार्ट मगअप करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, मगअप इट ऑल फॉर, बिकॉज इन द एग्जाम एवरी ईयर 2 to 3 क्वेश्चंस यू विल गेट देयर। ठीक है, तो सिमिलर नंबर डी, इन 2010 डोरिस मे लेशिंग वाज अवार्डेड नोबेल प्राइज फॉर लिटरेचर, ये फॉल्स है, क्योंकि तो डोरिस मे लेशिंग को 2007 में ही ये अवार्ड मिला था। ठीक है, तो काजू इशिगुरो का बहुत हिज इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क्स लाइक ए पेल व्यू ऑफ हिल्स। ठीक है, सिमिलरली एन आर्टिस्ट ऑफ फ्लोटिंग वर्ल्ड, द रिमेन्स ऑफ द डे, दिस आर वर्क्स ऑफ काजू इशिगुरो। ठीक है, तो काजू इशिगुरो का वर्क्स, डोरिस मे लेशिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट राइटर, इनका वर्क्स ये सब आप लोग नोट डाउन करो एक कॉपी में। ठीक है, तो दिस विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ट्रू ट्रू, फॉल्स फॉल्स। सिमिलर नंबर बी वी हैव लैंग्वेज डजंट चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू नीड ऑफ द सोसाइटी इन विच इट इज स्पोकन। ट्रू और फॉल्स, फॉल्स, क्योंकि लैंग्वेज चेंजेस, यस और नो। नंबर 2 वी हैव देयर इज नो नेचुरल कनेक्शन बिटवीन लिंग्विस्टिक फॉर्म एंड इट्स मीनिंग, ये क्या है, ट्रू। नंबर सी, ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज इज ओपन एंडेड, एक्सटेंडेबल एंड मॉडिफाइबल, ट्रू। ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज इज ओपन एंडेड, इट्स नॉट क्लोज एंडेड, ये क्लोज एंड नहीं है। ठीक है, नंबर डी, स्पीच इज इम्पर्सनल एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव, ये फॉल्स है। सो सिमिलरली वी हैव फॉल्स, ट्रू, ट्रू, फॉल्स। ठीक है, now we have number 3. Number 3 again we have is true or false. The evolutionary philosophy underlying Aurobindo's integral yoga is explored in his main prose work, The Life Divine. क्या है, this is true, 1939. ठीक है, अब थोड़ा इसको पढ़ना। Works like Indian philosophy and the Hindu view of life are written by Jawaharlal Nehru. No, false. क्योंकि works like Indian philosophy and Hindu were written by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. ठीक है, another one we have Malgudi is an imaginary town of Raja Rao, is located in Mysore state. False, because Malgudi is very famous imaginary town. ये किसका उसमें आता है, novels में, R.K. Narayan, yes or no. Similarly we have Khuswant Singh's major work included Train to Pakistan, published in 1956. This is true. ठीक है, so very famous writer Khuswant Singh. Similarly we have Raja Rao, R.K. Narayan. तो these are very famous writers. ठीक है, तो आप सब इनका वर्क्स है, उनको आप जान लो। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे एक चीज़ क्या है ना, स्टडी ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क्स ऑफ पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। ठीक है, डॉक्टर एस राधाकृष्ण का, सिमिलरली अब्राहम लिंकन, नेल्सन मंडेला, इन मार्टिन लूथर, इन लोगों का ना वर्क्स को अच्छे से आप लोग पढ़ो, ठीक है। लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल डॉक्टर एस Radhakrishna's works, we have the Hindu view of life, an idealistic view of life, Eastern religions and Western thought, Mahatma Gandhi, ठीक है। Similarly, A Heart of Hindustan, Philosophy of Hinduism. Similarly, जवाहरलाल नेहरू का वर्क क्या है, Letters from a Father to His Daughter 1929, ठीक है। There we have 5 letters. Similarly, पिता के पत्र पुत्री के नाम, okay. Another we have an autobiography, Towards Freedom. Another very famous work of पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, इसको आप याद रखना, डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया 1946, ठीक है। Similarly we have Abraham, works of Abraham Lincoln, Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther, इन सब का ना आप वर्क्स को आप याद करो, ठीक है। Number 4 we have, again we have true or false. Number 4 we have true or false. So cultural studies as a field is fixed and closed. False, ठीक है। There is no such thing as human independent of culture. True. Another one, it is Raymond Williams who focused on the great tradition. False. It was F.R. Lewis, ठीक है। The great tradition का नाम आने से F.R. Lewis का नाम जुड़ता है उसमें। Similarly, cultural studies as an academic field of study gained currency with the publication of Richard Hogarth's Use of Literacy 1957. True, ठीक है। Richard Hogarth's very famous book Use of Literacy written in 1957, इसको आप याद रखना है, ठीक है। तो दिस वुड बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी। नंबर 4, जो मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन बिकॉज दिस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जाम्स। नंबर 5, अगेन वी हैव ट्रू और फॉल्स। Horace's primary aim was to find in Rome a lofty poetry serviceable to the state. True, ठीक है। Another one we have John Dryden's An Apology for Poetry is considered to be a landmark in the history of English literary criticism. नहीं, John Dryden did not write an apology for poetry. It was written by Philip Sidney, ठीक है। Fancy deals with the superficial resemblance and imagination with the deeper truth that underline them. ये क्या होगा? True, ठीक है। Fancy, तो इस सुपरफिशियल रिसेम्बलेंस, आपको पता है फैंसी मीन्स। सिमिलर नंबर डी, इन हिज एसे ऑन मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्स मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड टेल्स अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ फ्यूजन ऑफ द थॉट एंड फीलिंग। फॉल्स, क्योंकि इन हिज एसे ऑन मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्स टी.एस. इलियट, वो टी.एस. इलियट था, इट वाज टी.एस. इलियट हु टेल्स अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ फ्यूजन एंड थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग। तो दिस वुड बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ठीक है। नंबर 6 व्हाट वी हैव इज अगेन वी हैव ट्रू और फॉल्स। Number 1, African nativist critics and authors support the practice of writing African literature in European languages. False, it is written in African languages, ठीक है। Senegalese writers mostly write in French. True, because Senegal once was a French colony. तो क्या था? All the writers from Senegal wrote in French. Another one we have Ngugi Thiong'o never uses the English language. False, because Ngugi Thiong'o wrote in used English language, ठीक है। Number D we have many African countries have European languages as their official languages. True, ये भी true है, तो इसका होगा ऑप्शन नंबर C, ठीक है। नंबर 7 what we have is To Penhurst was a masque written by Ben Jonson. False, it was a poem, ठीक है। To Penhurst was a poem written by Ben Jonson. Number B what we have, The Story of the Traveler Raphael Hydrolade comprises book 2 of Thomas More's Utopia. This is true. Number C, Edmund Spenser, very famous writer, Fairy Queen, very famous, equalized Queen Elizabeth I in the character of Gloriana. ये भी true है, ठीक है। एडमंड स्पेंसर्स का फेरी क्वीन आप अच्छे से जान लेना, ठीक है। बुक 1, बुक 2, बुक 3, बुक 4 एंड बुक 5 में किस किस को इसने मतलब कैरेक्टर दिया है, ठीक है। सिमिलर नंबर डी, द फर्स्ट फॉलियो ऑफ शेक्सपियर्स वर्क अपीयर इन 1619. फॉल्स, बिकॉज इट वाज पब्लिश इन 1623, ठीक है। तो मैं ऑप्शंस में आप लोग करेक्शन भी कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग नोट करते रहो, ठीक है। तो दिस वुड बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी। सिमिलर नंबर 8 what we have is which of the following in the Chaucer's Canterbury Tales, very famous. So आप याद रखना when did Chaucer wrote the Canterbury Tales, ठीक है। इसको आप याद मतलब आप चेक करो, फिर यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, which of the following is Chaucer's contributors with not written in verse, कौन सा वाला वर्स में रिटर्न नहीं है, तो ये द पार्सन्स टेल इज नॉट रिटन इन वर्स, इट इज रिटन इन प्रोस, क्योंकि ये तीनों वर्स में, द सेकंड नन्स टेल, द नाइट्स टेल, द म्युनिसिपल्स टेल, दिस आर रिटन इन वर्स, बट द पर्सन्स टेल इज रिटन इन प्रोस, ठीक है। Number 9. Name the author of the novel The Female Quixote or The Adventures of Arabella. We all know it is Charlotte Lennox. Number D. Charlotte Lennox. Number 10. What we have is my poor taste compliment as to his sister and his vulgar return tribute, abuse as to my mother, absolutely established cordial relations between us both in the E minor and the D major, so to speak. In which Indian novel listed below does the protagonist speak in this outrageous but comic English? तो E minor D major ऐसा कहाँ पे हमको मिला है? We find it in All About H Hatter written by G.V. Desani. तो this should be option number B. ठीक है। Number 11. In which play by William Shakespeare does the protagonist give instruction on the art of acting? As You Like It, Macbeth, A Midsummer Night's Dream, Hamlet. So this is Hamlet. Number 11 is D. Number 12 we have, again we have true or false. So we have is, so what we have here is Emily Dickinson poems. Number 12. Emily Dickinson's poem display a kind of sublime platonic love between men and women. This is false. Number B, this is number A is false, does not display, ठीक है। In Leaves of Grass, white man upholds an objectivity and like satirical picture of America. No, false, ठीक है। Very famous writer white man, इनका जितना भी वर्क है उसको आप जान लो, ठीक है, याद कर लो। नंबर सी, विलियम कलेन बायरन्स पोएम्स आर मेनली ऑन नेचर, ट्रू, ठीक है, इसको मैंने गूगल सर्च किया था, ये अनकॉमन राइटर है, ठीक है। नंबर डी, रॉबर्ट ग्रेव्स पोएम्स आर सेंटर्ड अराउंड नेचुरल ब्यूटी एंड इज मैजिक फिटफॉल्स। रॉबर्ट ग्रेव, ही वाज ए कन्फेशनल पोएट, ठीक है, तो नंबर डी, दिस शुड बी डी। सिमिलर नंबर 13, which of the following list arrange the works in correct chronological, ये क्रोनोलॉजी में आपको लिखना है, ठीक है। तो क्रोनोलॉजी में कौन सा वाला, Samila, The Rape of the Lock, Areopagitica, so Oroncon, History of Royal, so this would be Areopagitica. Areopagitica written in 1644. उसके बाद आता है क्या, ओरोनको और द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द रॉयल स्लेवरी 1688, ठीक है। उसके बाद आता है द रेप ऑफ लॉक published in 1712, again in 1714. उसके बाद आता है समीला 1741, ठीक है। तो इनका राइटर्स है कौन कौन है उसको आप याद कर लो, ठीक है। तो दिस शुड बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी, नंबर 13। So number 14 we have whose work is an apology for poetry, very easy answer, Philip Sidney, ठीक है। Number 15, in which year was the poem In a Station 2 of the Metro by Ezra Pound published in the literary magazine Poetry? ये कब हुआ था? It was in 1913, ठीक है। In remember in 1912 Imagism began, तो it was in 1913. Number 16, what we have? Charles Jennings is associated with which of the following? So Charles Jennings is associated with postmodernism. Now number 17 we have which of the following has been awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature for 2019? Again देखा मैंने क्या बोला था, नोबेल प्राइज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मग इट अप, ठीक है, बाय हार्ट करो उसको जैसे भी करके, क्योंकि एग्जाम में आता ही है क्वेश्चन वहाँ से 1 2 3, समटाइम्स 3 क्वेश्चन, समटाइम्स 2 क्वेश्चन, समटाइम्स ट्रू और फॉल्स में, समटाइम्स डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आता है, ठीक है। तो नंबर 17 वुड बी पीटर हैंडेक, ही वाज ए स्वेडिश, सो पीटर हैंडेक को कब मिला था? 2019 में, ही वाज ए स्वेडिश नेशनल। नंबर 18, नेम द ऑथर ऑफ 1Q84, ये किसने लिखा था? ये लिखा था हारुकी मुराकामी। Number 19, let me note to the marriage of true minds admit impediments occurs in which sonnet by Shakespeare? It occurs in 116, sonnet number 116. Number 20, the statement given below, again we have true or false, ठीक है। तो ट्रू और फॉल्स वी हैव इज रिचर्ड राइट रोड अंकल टॉम्स चिल्ड्रन, ट्रू, ठीक है। मार्गरेट वॉलकर रोड जुबली, इट वाज आल्सो ट्रू। देयर इज ए फ्लावर एट द टिप ऑफ द नोज ऑफ माय नोज स्मेलिंग मी वाज रिटन बाय रीटा डोव, नो फॉल्स, इट रिटन बाय एलिस वॉलकर, ठीक है, एलिस वॉलकर लिखा था। द कलर पर्पल वाज रिटन बाय एलिस वॉलकर, ट्रू। सो दिस शुड बी ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ट्रू ट्रू फॉल्स ट्रू, ठीक है। एलिस वॉलकर वेरी फेमस राइटर फॉर एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राइटर फ्रॉम नेट स्लेट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, ठीक है। नंबर 21, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द एसे फेमिनिज्म विद ए स्मॉल एफ, इट इज बुची एमिचिटा, याद रखना, ठीक है, बुची एमिचिटा। एंड बुची एमिचिटा का वर्क्स भी आप लोग याद रखना, ठीक है। और आमा एटा ए जो इनका भी वर्क्स आप अच्छे से बाय हार्ट करना। नंबर 22, नेम द ऑथर हु वाज अवार्डेड द बुकर इंटरनेशनल प्राइज इन 2005, तो 2005 किसको मिला था? इस्माइल कदारे, ठीक है, इस्माइल कदारे। नंबर 23, हु रोट द पोएम द डेजर्टेड विलेज, वेरी इजी, ओलिवर गोल्डस्मिथ। हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द हाउस ऑफ द स्पिरिट, ये लिखा था इजाबेल एलेंडी ने, एलेंडी। नंबर 25, when was the French version of the Waiting for Godot titled An Attendant Godot first premiered in Paris? 1953, फ्रेंच वर्जन में 1953 में, ठीक है। वेटिंग फॉर गोडो वेरी फेमस, ठीक है, इसको भी आप लोग द फेमस कैरेक्टर्स उसको भी आप याद करना, ठीक है। नंबर 26 वी हैव विच ऑफ द पोएम्स मेंशन्ड बिलो इज नॉट बाय कमला दास, द डांस ऑफ द यूनिचर्स रिटन बाय कमला दास, बाय ग्रैंडमदर्स, और ये भी कमला दास। द ओल्ड प्ले हाउस इज ऑल्सो बाय कमला दास। सो इन दिस नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन, ठीक है, किसने लिखा था? एजिकल ने, निसिम एजिकल ने। दिस इज डी। नंबर 27, द स्टेटमेंट गिवन बिलो आर ट्रू, अगेन वी हैव ट्रू और फॉल्स। एग्नेस विल्सन एंग्लो सेक्शन एटीट्यूड से हिस्टोरिकल स्टडी ऑफ एंशिएंट ब्रिटेन, ये फॉल्स है, इसको मैंने गूगल चेक किया था, इट इज फॉल्स। द लॉनलीनेस ऑफ द लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रनर इज ए बोर्स्टल नॉवल, ट्रू, ट्रू, ठीक है। Another one, The Bell Jar is a poem by Sylvia Plath, false, it was a novel, The Bell Jar is a novel, ठीक है। Carlyle Churchill's Top Girls is a play with a cast of characters who are all women, this is also true, so this should be B, false, true, false, true. Okay. Now we have 28, again we have true or false. 28 is true or false. Again we have the proscenium form of theatre was began by Inigo Jones, true, इसको मैंने गूगल सर्च किया था, ठीक है। नंबर 2, ए कर्टल सोनेट वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय एलिजाबेथ बैरेट ब्राउनिंग, फॉल्स, इट वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय जेम्स हॉपकिंस, ठीक है, हॉपकिंस, फॉल्स। तो विलियम मॉरिस न्यूज फ्रॉम नोवेयर इज टोल्ड बाय विलियम, यस, ट्रू, ठीक है। सिमिलरली नंबर 4, इन ब्लैक्स पोएट्री द यूनिजन सिंबलाइज द पावर ऑफ द इमेजिनेशन, इट्स नॉट इमेजिनेशन, इज रीजन, दिस इज फॉल्स, ठीक है। तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, तो 28 would be ऑप्शन नंबर सी। Similarly, number 29, what we have is, again we have true or false, that the revolution in 1688 was called glorious as the event in England was without any bloodshed, true, the glorious revolution of 1688, we all know. Another one we have, Shakespeare owned some of the shares of Globes Theatre, ये भी true है। Adam Smith described England as a nation of shopkeepers, false. Benjamin Disraeli wrote about the condition of England, question, true. तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ट्रू, ट्रू, फॉल्स, फॉल्स, ये भी फॉल्स है, ठीक है। तो दिस विल बी ट्रू, ट्रू, फॉल्स, फॉल्स। 20, नंबर 30, what we have is, match the following items given in parallel, find the correct answers using the quotes given below, ठीक है। तो ये फंक्शनल क्रिटिसिज्म ऑफ द प्रेजेंट टाइम, T.S. Eliot, नहीं, दिस इज मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड, ठीक है। उसके बाद अनदर वन वी हैव इज द लाइन ऑफ विट, F.R. Lewis, ट्रू, लाइन ऑफ विट इज ट्रू। उसके बाद फिर द इंटेंशनल फैलेसी, विमसेट एंड ब्रेट्सली का है ना, एक नहीं, तो इस मैथ्यू आर्नोल्ड, फॉल्स। स्ट्रक्चरलिज्म एंड लिटरेचर, जो जोनाथन क्यूलर, दिस इज ट्रू, So you should do option B. False, true, false, true. Number 30. Number 31, what we have is, match the following. An apology for poetry. Quotes below. An apology for poetry, P.B. Shelley, false. ये फिलिप सिडनी है. A defense of poetry, सर फिलिप सिडनी, false. ये शैली है. ठीक है, तो false, false. On the tragedies of Shakespeare, on the tragedies of Shakespeare is by Charles Lamb, true. ठीक है, इसको आप ऑप्शन चेक करना है, सेम है कि नहीं, मैच हो कि नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है, कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ शेक्सपियर प्लेस is written by William Hazlitt, true. So this should be option number B. False, false, true, true. Number 31 also. Number 32, match the pair. अब पेयर को आप मैच करो. ठीक है, तो what we have is Robert Browning, Alfred Tennyson, Matthew Arnold, Elizabeth Barrett Browning. ठीक है, तो what we have is Robert Browning, we all know Pippa Passes. Yes or no? Alfred Lord Tennyson, we have The Princess. Matthew Arnold, we have Empedocles on Etna. And Elizabeth Barrett Browning, we all know Aurora Leigh. So this should be option number C. 2, 3, 1, 4. ठीक है, number 33, Anatomy of Criticism. We all know Anatomy of Criticism is who? Northrop Fryer. So याद करना. ठीक है, mug it up. अगर आपको मतलब वो नहीं है तो आप अभी तक अगर आप ये क्वेश्चंस देख के आप मतलब आंसर्स नहीं आ रहा है तो प्रिपेयर आप पूरा पढ़ते रहो. ठीक है, क्योंकि आपका नहीं हुआ है अभी तक. अगर ये क्वेश्चंस को देख के आप अगर सॉल्व कर नहीं पा रहे हो, ठीक है, तो अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या है, अभी मतलब मौका है. ठीक है, यू हैव 1 month अगेन, अभी और 1 महीना है, तो इसमें आप प्रिपेयर करते रहो. ठीक है, सो व्हाट वी हैव इज एनाटॉमी ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म, वी हैव इज नॉर्थरॉप फ्रायर. सिमिलरली वी हैव द न्यू क्रिटिसिज्म, वी हैव John Crowley and Ransom. Practical criticism, we have I.A. Richard. Similarly, the meaning of meaning we have is I.A. Richard and C.K. Ogden. So this should be option number B. अगर इसमें ना एक या दो ऑप्शन भी अगर आपको याद है ना तो you can tick the option. Number 34 is C. Match the pairs given the column below and choose the correct from the quotes. ठीक है, अभी आपको quote जानना होगा. So A to Bruto, we all know Julius Caesar. Words. It's a Hamlet. Fell is fall and fall. ये किसका है? Macbeth, we all know. But soft what light, though you wonder, your window breaks, ये Romeo and Juliet है. तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा A. ठीक है, अगर आपको Hamlet ये Hamlet इसका और इसको अगर आपको पता होता तो you could manage to tick the answer, correct option. ठीक है, number 35 we have is match the pair again. तो अगर again we have pair को match करना. Horace, we all know Ars Poetica. Yes or no? We have Aristotle, we have Poetics. Quintilian we have is Institutio Oratio. फिर Longinus we have On the Sublime. So this should be option number A. ठीक है, number 36, the sacred, again we have match the following. The sacred wood is 3, T.S. Eliot. Number B, revaluation, we have F.R. Lewis. The allegory of love we have is C.S. Lewis, and the illusion reality we have is Christopher Cordell. So this should be option number A. ठीक है, number 36. Number 37 we have characters in the plays. ठीक है, तो Dorimant, we all know this character we find in The Man of Mode. Similarly, Lady Fidget we find in The Country Wife. Malevoli we find in Malcontent, and Vernice we find in The Plain Dealer. So this would be option number C. ठीक है, very famous character Dorimant, Lady Fidget. ठीक है, number 38 we have is again we have tick the correct tick. We have to match the following. Sense and Sensibility, we all know Jane Austen, very famous novel. ठीक है, Jane Austen का जितना भी वर्क्स है, very important writer, and it is one of the favorite of Nate and Sledgetter. So Jane Austen का जितना भी वर्क्स है उसको आप मतलब क्रोनोलॉजी में आप लोग आराम से उसको मगअप करो. ठीक है, सिमिलरली Melincourt we have is Thomas Love Peacock, Ivanhoe, Walter Scott, Maria or the Wrongs of the Women, we all know It is Mary Wollstonecraft. So this should be option number B. 38 is option number B. Number 39 we have true or false. ठीक है, Mr. Skogan is a character in the Brave New World. ये true है कि false है? True. Similarly, World Within World by Stephen Spender is a memoir. True, ये भी true है. The Dog Beneath the Skin by W.H. Auden is a play. True. Similarly, another one we have is Christopher Isherwood believed only in Marxist transformation of society. False. तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, नंबर 39. नंबर 40 व्हाट वी हैव इज अगेन वी हैव ट्रू और फॉल्स. ठीक है. नंबर 8 द मैरिज ऑफ हेवन एंड हेल इज एन इन्फ्लुएंशियल वर्क ऑफ प्रोज पोएट्री एंड इलस्ट्रेशन बाय विलियम ब्लेक. वेरी ट्रू. द मैरिज ऑफ हेवन एंड हेल वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पोएम. द सिक रोज वाज रिटन बाय सैमुअल टेलर कोलरिज. फॉल्स, ये लिखा था विलियम ब्लेक ने. ठीक है. Ode to Skylark was written by John Keats. False. It was we all know it is by Shelley. Shelley's Skylark was written by Thomas Hardy. True. ठीक है. उसके बाद में थॉमस हार्डी ने लिखा था. तो ये should be option number A. 40 is option number A. Similar number 42 we have characters. We have is Lady Bellaston. We find where do we find it? We find in Tom Jones. Similarly, Jane Danes we find in The Heart of Midlothian. Inspector Bucket we find in The Bleak House. And Lovelace we find in Clarissa. ठीक है. तो इसका ऑप्शन वुड बी 41 वुड बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी. अब नोट डाउन करते जाओ. ठीक है, नोट डाउन करते जाओ whatever I am saying. Number 42. What do we have in 42? Match the column. Again, given the column, find the answer from the quotes given below. ठीक है. तो this should be Edward Ferrars. We find a character in Sense and Sensibility. ठीक है. Jane Austen, Sense and Sensibility. Similarly, we find Annie Elliot. We find in Persuasion. Fanny Price. We find in Mansfield Park. Similarly, we have Jane Fairfax. We find in Emma. So this should be B. Option number B. 42 is B. Similarly, number 43, match the items given in the parallel columns and find the answers from the quotes given below. So this would be Eve of St. Agnes is written in Spenser in stanza. Similarly, we find Ode to Skylark written in Ballet meter. Similarly, Don Juan written in Ottawa Rhyma. और Tintin Abbey क्या में लिखा था? Blank verse. So this is option number C. Option number C. 43. Number 44, what we have is Kazuo Ishiguro, very famous writer. Again we have the second question in the same paper. देखा. Kazuo Ishiguro, Remains of the Day is about the Japanese reconstruction after World War II. False. It's about England. ठीक है. ये उसके बाद World War I was caused by Russian invasion of Poland. False. J.M. Coetzee Waiting for the Barbarians is set on the northwest frontier province. True. ठीक है. Malcolm Bradbury's novel The History Man is a biography of Edward Gibbon. False. So this would be 44 number question and answer would be option number D. Option correct would be option number D. ठीक है. So number 45 what we have is Terence Last Case. It's a poem drama detective. What is it? Lupercal. We have Bingo, the Lawless Road. ठीक है. तो Bingo is written by Edward Bond. It is a drama. ठीक है. Similarly, we have the Lawless Road. It's a travel book. The Lawless Road. हमको मतलब टाइटल से मालूम चल रहा है, you know. This is the road. We find is a travel book. तो another one we have Lupercal by Ted Hughes. It is a poem. The Ten's Last Course. This is what is a detective novel. ठीक है. तो this should be option number B. Option number B. Option number B. What we have is A is 4. Trent's Last Course, detective novel. Another one we have is Lupercal. Lupercal is a poem by Ted Hughes. Number C, Bingo. Bingo is a drama by Edward Bond. Another one we have The Lawless Road. The Lawless Road is a travel book. ठीक है. Number 46 what we have is Assertion and Reason. Assertion and reason. What we have? Assertion and reason. According to Aristotle, the epic is similar to tragedy except for one major difference. True. That is spectacle. Another one, the epic is a narrative form, not dramatic. True. So this should be option number B. 46 is option number B. Number 47, again we have assertion and reason. Forms of time and of the chronotope in the novel is an essay by Mikhail Bakhtin. True. Forms of time and the chronotope ये Mikhail Bakhtin है. उसके बाद it is included in the dialogic imagination. True. This will be both option A and both assertion and reason are true. Similar, number 48. Number 48, what we have is assertion and reason. The historical novel is a book by George Lucas. It is true. It deals with the historical text from his native country. False. ठीक है. This should be option number C. Now 14, we have assertion and reason again. Rajamohan's Wife is a novel in English written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, a very famous novel. True. Make sure to read it. It was first published in Indian film in serial form in 1864. True. So this is true. Both assertion and reason are true. Rajamohan's Wife novel, very famous. Make sure to read it. No, number 50. और again we have assertion and reason. ठीक है. 50. Now 50 we have is Ted Hughes writes about only birds, prey and animals. False. Because his sole focus has been on the ferocity of the world, of the contemporary world. False. So this is both assertion and reason are false. Number 51. Number 15, what we have is The Owl and the Nightingale is a debate poetry. Another one we have is Lanville. Lanville is Thrilias. Sir Diagri is a romance. And another one we have is Love Run. Love Run is a religious didactic. So this should be option number B. ठीक है. Similar, number 52 we have is non-fictional writers of the revival age and their works. Number Reginald Peacock. It is Reginald Peacock, repression of the overmuch blaming of the clergy. Number 4, Sir John Fortescue. It is number 2, D. Liam Ligam Angeli. Number C, John Fisher is Treatise Concerning the Seven Pentateuchal Psalms. Another one we have Hughes Latimer is Sermons Before Kings Edward the 4th. 6. This is 52 would be C. ठीक है. ये मैंने गूगल सर्च किया था, उसके बाद ही मिला. ठीक है. Number 53. Number 53, what we have is Pierre Bourdieu. We have is cultural capital. Another one we have Antonio Gramsci, hegemony, very famous hegemony. Roland Barthes. We have semiotics. Michael Foucault. It talks about power structure. ठीक है. तो 53 would be option number B. Number 54, what we have? Match the following. Again we have match the following. Bharata, Dhavi, Kuntaka, Vakrokti, Brahmaha, we have is Riti, and number D, Anand Vardhana, we have is Dhavani. So this should be option number C. 54 is C. Similar 55, what we have is Das Capital of Grammatology, books and the authors. So this would be A. Das Capital would be Karl Marx. Of Grammatology, we all know Jacques Derrida. A Literature of Their Own, we all know Ellen Showalter. A Literature, This Sex Which Is Not One is by Lucy Irigaray. So this is option number 55. Question number 55 would be option number A. ठीक है. 4, 1, 2, 3. नोट करते जाओ. ठीक है. Number 56. Find the correct match in the two columns. So a complaint angler we have is Isaac Walton. A game of chess, we all know Thomas Middleton. Timber, we all know Ben Jonson. Urn burial, we all know it is Richard Hooker. ठीक है. So this should be option number D. Number 57. Which of the following is not written by William Faulkner? William Faulkner ने कौन सा William Faulkner का नहीं है? Mosquito, William Faulkner, The Sound of the Furry by William Faulkner, very famous book, The Sound of the Furry. The Sound of the Furry, very famous. Make sure to read it. ठीक है? The Soldiers पे essay on words और दिए William Faulkner का नहीं है. अब किसका ये आप चेक करो, ठीक है? Another we have is assertion and reason, number 58. The Provincetown Players, which started in 1915, was instrumental in changing the course of American theatre. True. This was because of the emphasis on the experimentation and the encouragement of new playwrights whose plays were different from the melodramas and triangle relationship plays that were being produced on Broadway. This is also true. So this is option number A. 58 is option number A. Now 59. Number 59 is postmodernism. Postmodernism, we all know Jürgen Habermas. Feminism, we all know Juliet Mitchell. Queer theory, very famous, Judith Butler. New historicism, Stephen Greenblatt. ठीक है, इन ऑप्शंस को आप लोग याद करो, ठीक है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एग्जाम्स में ऑप्शंस में आ सकता है. तो 59 इज ऑप्शन नंबर C. Number 60, heteroglossia term, we all know Mikhail Bakhtin. ठीक है. Meta narrative, we all know Francois Loiter. Hyperreal, we all know Jean Baudrillard. Mother fixation, we all know Sigmund Freud. ये चारों सेम है, तो इस ऑप्शन नंबर A. 60 is option number A. Number 61. Number 61 we have is discourse analysis, is implicature. Dialogic criticism we have is carnivalesque. Psychoanalytic criticism we have is collective unconscious. Similarly, we have Russian formalist, we have is defamiliarize. So this would be option number C. 61 would be option number C. ठीक है. Number 62. Number 62 what we have is Ferdinand de Saussure, structuralist perspective उसका. फिर Jacques Derrida we have is deconstructive perspective. Raymond William, we all know cultural materialism. John Crowe Ransom is new criticism. So this would be option number D. Number 63, assertion and reason. Wordsworth was one of the Lake poets to have lived in Lake District, England. True. All English romantic poets lived in the Lake District. False. Now, who were the Lake poets? ये आप याद करो, ठीक है. Wordsworth, Coleridge और कौन था? और एक पोएट था, ठीक है. तो लेक पोएट्स, हु है तो लेक पोएट्स, ये आप याद करो. उसके बाद ऑल इंग्लिश रोमांटिक पोएट्स लिव इन लेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट. फॉल्स. सो दिस शुड बी ए इज ट्रू बट आर इज फॉल्स. ठीक है. सो नंबर 64 नाउ, assertion and reason. Shakespeare did not write any of the tragedies attributed to him. False. He wrote tragedies. The tragedies attributed to Shakespeare were in reality all written by Bacon. False. 64 is B. Option both assertion and reason are false. Number 65. Keats wrote his Ode to Nightingale in 1819. True. Keats, very famous Ode to Nightingale. All odes attributed to Keats were written in 1819. False. This should be option number C. 65 is C. Similarly, we have 66. We have Lakshman. Lakshman, where do we find is Torudad. ठीक है. फिर Kali the mother we find in, where do we find? Swami Vivekanand. Song of Radha Kanhaiya we find in Sarojini Naidu. Similarly, we find Satan in, where do we find Satan? We find Michael Madhusudan Datta. So this should be option number A. 66 is option number A. Similarly, 67. New beginnings in English poetry. Where do you find this? In F.R. Lewis. The British drama. L.R.I.C. Nicole. The Essential Shakespeare. Very famous. John Dover Wilson. The Crown of Life. G. Wilson Knight. Okay. So this should be option number D. 67 is option number D. Here we have 68 number. A Dance of the Forest, very famous. This should be Wolf Soyinka. Women Tamer, Louis Eason, Song of a God by G.P. Clarke, and The Harry F. Eugene O'Neill, very famous, The Harry F. Eugene O'Neill work. This should be option number D. Okay, 2, 1, 4, 3. Number 69. Number 69, what we have is a dramatic monologue is a conversation poem. False. Black comedy defines absurd drama. True. Number B. Number B is true. The Kunstler roman deals with the growth of the artist's mind and work. True. Number D. The term hard-boiled is usually used to describe American crime fiction. This is also true. So this should be option number D. Okay. 69 is option number D. Number 70. What we have is Julian Sorel is the hero in Stendhal's novel The Charterhouse of Parma. False. Similarly, we have Leo Tolstoy, the death of the Ivan Ilyich deals with an incurable illness of the protagonist. True. The Leo Tolstoy is the death of the Ivan Ilyich, very famous. इसको आप पढ़ के जाना, ठीक है. Julian Barnes, England deals with Englishness being replicated and made into commodity. True. Haldor Lexon's Salka Valka is a maritime adventure novel. True. So this should be option number C. False, true, true, false. False. Number 71. Identify the woman playwright of the 18th century among whose list who wrote the celebrated comedy The Busybody by who wrote? It's written by Susanna Centralib. Number 72. When in his poem Among School Children, W.B. Yeats asked, how can we know the dancer from the dance? What is he suggesting? He is suggesting the indivisibility of form and content in poetry. Number 73. Okay. Number 73, what we identify the poet in whose poem the writing the theme of war and scene from the English countryside are blended. We find in Rupert Brooke. Okay. He was a Georgian poet, World War I poet. His 1915 poem Soldier. He was wrote a poem named Soldier in 1915. Okay. Which among the following poems begins with a dream on the Malvern Hills on a May morning? Malvern Hill we find in whose poem? We find in Langland's poem Piers the Plowman. Okay. Similarly, number 75, what we have is, who is the author of The Anxiety of Influence? We all know it is Harold Bloom. Number 76. Who had rewritten Shakespeare King Lear for the Royal Court Theatre in 1971? It was Edward Bond. Number 77. In which play by Shakespeare do you find the character Puck? We find character Puck in A Midsummer Night Dream. Okay. Number 78. Which of the following is written by Chitra Banerjee Dibakurni? The Palace of Illusion, written by Chitra Banerjee Dibakurni. Number 17. Who is the author of novel The Name of the Rose? Who wrote? Umberto Eco. ठीक है, Name of the Rose. Number 80 is, which of the following novels by Kazuo Ishiguro won the Booker Prize and was made into a successful film? It was The Remains of the Day, very famous, The Remains of the Day. ठीक है. Number 81 we have is, again we have assertion and reason. So the reason what we have is, the new morality era was the era of the female contraceptive known popularly since 1960 simply as the pill. True. It was in part a reflection of the post-Freudian openness about sexual relationship. True. ठीक है, तो इसको मैंने गूगल सर्च किया था, तो इस बोर्ड assertion reason are true. ठीक है. So number 82 we have again assertion and reason. Poetry according to Wordsworth is the spontaneous overflow of powerful thoughts. False. It is not thoughts, it's feelings. Poetry takes its origin from emotion recollected in tranquility. True. So one is false. Number B, A is false. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Number 83. Again we have assertion and reason. Ortega Y. Gasset felt that modern literature represented dehumanization of art. True. इसको भी मैंने गूगल सर्च किया है. ठीक है. Modern writing was preoccupied among other things with formal experimentation in language. This is also true. Number 83 is both true. Number 84 again we have assertion and reason. ठीक है, तो an attempt to reassert a distinctive identity was made in the use of Scots language in 20th century Scottish writing. True. The popularity of the Ivan Wells transporting bears a testimony to his tendency. True. तो this both are true. ये भी मैंने Google सर्च किया है. ठीक है. Number 85 again we have assertion and reason. Joseph Edison's aim in The Spectator was to enliven morality with wit and to temper with wit and morality. True. Periodical essays had a tendency to criticize the intrigue and scandals of the contemporary court society. False. This is number C. Assertion is true but reason is false. Similarly we have 86 in assertion and reason. ठीक है. The founding of America was seen by Puritan settlers as a re-enhancement of the biblical myth of the promised land. True. Puritan literature was dominantly religious and didactic. False. It was dominantly religious and didactic. False. Another one we have 86 is option. Oh sorry, it was religious. ठीक है, Puritan was very religious, very strictly religious and didactic. It is true. So 86 will be option A. Both assertion and reason are true. Similar number 87. 87 what we have is in Latin American magic realism is predicted on the history of colonial resistance. This is false. The Vanguardia movement was influenced by North American literature. This is also false. It was influenced by European literature. So both false. Number B. Number 88 would be again assertion and reason. Affective fallacy is a critical error of judging a work of art in terms of the response of the reader audience. This is true. This is a consequence of an intentional fallacy of judging a work of art according to the writer's intention. This is false. This is not a consequence. ठीक है, तो this is false. Reason is false. So number C. Assertion is true but reason is false. Number 89. Expressionism was a movement in German theatre involving a reaction against realism. It is true. Surrealism was the only influence on this movement. False. So this will be option number A. 89 is option number A. ठीक है. So number 90. Number 90 we have true or false. Thomas Nash the Unfortunate Traveler is a picaresque novel. True. ठीक है. Another one we have the leading exponent of Renaissance travel writing was Richard Hakluyt. This is also true. William Tyndale was considered as religious submersive for his translation of the Bible and burned at the stake. This is also true. Number D. The Reformation was the result of marriage between Henry VIII and Anne Boleyn. False. This is number B. ठीक है. Number 91 we have assertion and reason. The future of the poetry according to Matthew Arnold is immense. True. Poetry attaches its emotion to the idea. True. The both assertion and reason are true. Number 91. Number 92 we have is okay. The origin of the family. We all know the origin family is Frederick Engels. A Room of One's Own. We all know Virginia Woolf, very famous. Sexual Textual Politics. We all know Toriel Moy. The Literature of Their Own. We all know Ellen Showalter. Is option number D. 92 is option number D. Number 93 we have is native discourse. Native discourse is J. Gerald Jennett. The language of paradox is Clint Brooks. The order of discourse we all know Michael Foucault. Discourse in the novel we all know Mikhail Bakhtin. So this will be option number D. ठीक है. Number 94 we have post-structuralism is a positive response to an acceptance of structuralism. This is false. So far the post-structuralists failed to offer any fresh theoretical framework. This is also false. So number 94 would be C. Both assertion and reason are false. Similar number 95 what we have is assertion and reason again. Scott's influence as a novelist on subsequent novelists was immense. True. Novelists such as Ainsworth, Baudelaire Lytton, Mrs. Gaskell, George Eliot and the Bronte sisters and many others who treated rural themes, contemporary patient life, etc. wrote in manner that owed much to Scott. True. This is both Eastern region are true. Number 96 again we have Eastern region. ठीक है, कितना आता है Eastern region? Theatre of cruelty is a phrase associated with French literature. Anton Ortet. True. Peter Brook and Charles Marguerite choose the name of their experimental theatre group in homage Ortet. True. ठीक है, both as a regional true. Number 97 we have is Ailes in Gaza is a novel by John Milton. False. The title of the novels derives from Milton's Samson Agonistic. True. Number B. ठीक है, number 97 number B. We have number 98. Number 98 what we have is the Puritan poetry mainly focused on scientific temperament and progressive outlook. Very false. It was the Puritan poetry mainly focused on religious temperament. Yes or no? In Puritan age, there are three main groups of poets: Spencerian poets, Cavalier poets, and metaphysical poets. Very true. तो एक चीज क्या याद करना है आपको? Who are the Spencerian poets, Cavalier poets, metaphysical poets? Make sure to note it down. ठीक है? The Spencerian poets are Robert Herrick, Thomas Carey and John Suckling. False. The poem Ecstasy is a by John Suckling. No, the poem Ecstasy by John Donne. ठीक है? This is also false. So this will be option number C. False, true, false, false. The number 99 we have is impressionistic criticism came under increasing attack in the 20th century, particularly by new critics. This is true. ठीक है? The new critics viewed such criticism as superficial and arbitrary and believed that it was erroneous to interpret text according to the psychological response of the reader. True. Both are true. ठीक है? The last question we have is T.S. Eliot is the author of After Strange Gods. True. Written by 1934. It was an essay. Eliot wrote only about religion. False. ठीक है, तो मैंने 1 से 100 तक आप लोगों को 2022 का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके दिया है. ठीक है, तो देखो इतना मेहनत लगता है एक वीडियो बनाने में. ठीक है, तो प्लीज़ अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे, कोई हेल्प हुआ है आपको, तो आप सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. ठीक है, और वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए. और अगर आपको और भी वीडियोस चाहिए जस्ट मुझे कमेंट कीजिए. ठीक है, आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी टू हेल्प यू ऑल. तो अभी आज मैंने 2022 का अपलोड किया है. ठीक है, अभी कल परसों आई विल upload more videos on this topic. ठीक है, तो thank you everyone.